If you have ever walked outside and thought, wait, didn't the sprinklers already run today? Well, you're not imagining things. This is one of those moments that feels confusing at first, and honestly, it's a little concerning because your brain immediately goes to something must be wrong, right? The good news is that most of the time, it's not. It could be very simple and very fixable as well. Your system, it's probably not broken. Your sprinklers running twice is almost never because something failed underground. Most of the time, it's not a mechanical issue at all. It's most likely a programming issue. And that is actually good news because programming doesn't damage your system. It just needs, a little clarity, just a little attention. The easiest way to think about this is like an alarm clock. You accidentally set 2 alarms for the same morning. The alarm is not broken. It's just doing exactly what you told it to do, right? Sprinkler systems work the same way. When a system runs twice, it's usually because there's multiple start times set, even if you didn't mean to set them. Most sprinklers controllers have multiple programming and also multiple start times. And sometimes they get added accidentally, or sometimes we don't understand how to set it up. During the original setup, things can get a little confusing, or even when seasons change, your timer can also change. The controller box doesn't know what you mean. It's just following instructions. However you set it up, that's how it runs. This is where a lot of homeowners feel stuck. They look at each zone and say, well, everything looks fine, but they're not wrong. The issue is not how long the system is running, it's how many times it's told to run. When a system runs 2 times, a few things happen here. Water usually creeps up. Your lawn can get stressed as well because it's getting just way too much water. And your water bill can slowly increase and go up. Nothing dramatic, nothing immediate. That's why this is often goes just unnoticed until someone really pays attention. If this was my own system, this is where I would start. I will start calmly. I will check how many start times are being programmed, whether more than one is currently active, and if seasonal adjustments has been piled on top of it. Most of the time, once you know where to look, this takes just a few minutes to fix. If you look at your control box screen and it feels confusing or maybe just overwhelming, that's just completely normal. They're not really designed for homeowners. Controllers are designed by engineers. So not knowing is not a failure, you're just choosing clarity. So in your sprinkler system, it's running twice. It doesn't mean that nothing is broken. Most of the time, it just means the controller needs a little bit of adjustment. Once that's handled, then everything settles back in. Your water use, you have a healthy lawn, and the most important thing, your peace of mind. If explanations like this helps, subscribing just gives you a place to come back to the next time you have a sprinkler question that pops up.